Hi friends, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today I am outside standing on my rock berm. Last year I applied for my water company's turf replacement program, and one of the conditions in order to qualify for the rebate was to create some sort of water retention feature, and making a berm was one of the options, so that's what we did. We made this rock berm, and when we initially made it, it did not look like this. As you can see, the weeds have completely taken over my rock burn, and now it is just a mound of weeds. So when we initially made this berm, we used soil that we were given. It was free soil, and the soil itself was filled with weeds, so we did not remove the weeds when we were building our mound, and as a result we have a bunch of weeds now. And we also did not use weed barrier, so it's been really hard to maintain. I don't like using weed killer, and initially I was very proactive about pulling out the weeds, but I feel like every time I pull out a weed, 3 more magically appear, and it becomes very, very tedious, and I truly let things get out of hand. So what I want to do now is completely dismantle this mound and start new. So that is what I'm going to be working on in the next couple of weeks, which I'm really excited about, but I am not sure what I want to do yet. Yes. So I am going to completely dismantle this mound and start new. That'll be my project for the upcoming weeks. I'm really excited about it. I have some ideas as to what I want to do, but I am hoping that some of you could give me some inspiration or some ideas, if you have any, as to a design that you think would look great in this area. So if you would like to share some of those ideas with me, you can follow me on Instagram at Sundream Succulents and share with me some of the ideas that you have in mind that would look great. Stay tuned for the progress videos. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove all of the rock and save it to reuse it. And I can't wait to give my Talavera turtle a new home. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Don't try this at home. Oh my God. Ow, you can't use that one. I have to do it again. Stop.